If you need to recover your WeWork account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process. Step 1. Visit the WeWork login page. Go to the WeWork website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your WeWork account. This is crucial as it will be used to send you recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from WeWork with instructions on how to reset your password. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 4. Follow the password reset link. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ISROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Log in with new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the WeWork login page and enter your email and new password to access your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your WeWork account without needing a phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to WeWork customer support for further assistance.